Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete operating system launcher update on Android device. So if you feel your operating system launcher do not suit you, or your operating system become laggy after the update, often crash, often freezing, you can try to delete the latest update on your operating system. So you can try to open setting. Now I'm using Oppo phone right now. Now you can scroll down and try to search software update. Here you can tap on gear icon at the top of your screen. You can try to prevent the auto download first. You can tap, or you can choose do not allow auto download, and you can try to switch off auto update overnight. Here, if you don't have a how to uninstall or delete operating system launcher update, you can try to reset your phone into your factory setting. Make your phone become new again like the first time you bought this phone. So you can go back and try to access additional settings or advanced settings. You can scroll down and try to find backup and reset. Here you can try to find factory reset or erase all data. And here we go, you can tap or you can choose on reset system settings only. So here the phone will not reset or will not erase your photo, music on non-app data, or you can choose erase all data to make it like clean and install and make your phone based on factory or factory reset. Here you can tap erase all data including photo and music. But if you prefer delete or reset system, you can choose reset system settings only. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the text button below. See you in the next video.